Okay, well, this is my Mk3. I just bought it. 5-speed manual, all the good stuff. All the gears work. You know, the clutch works. It definitely needs bled a little bit. Also, the clutch might be bad. There's a possibility. The speedometer does not work. The fuel gauge works. I honestly do not believe this works either, because whenever I turn it on and rev it, it goes immediately up to 4,000. I can't turn it on and rev it right now. Look, it's got the factory stereo. It's got the sunroof. Oh, it's got the thing back there. Back seats are immaculate. This seat is blown in. I don't know if you can tell. You see how that seat's like lifted up, like on this side? This thing is blown out. Whoever owned this before me was a very big guy. You know, the windows, blah, blah, blah. If you're watching this, you know what a Mk3 is. What I gotta do right now, this little fuel thing, see this line, it's like 40 years old. This fuel filter is supposed to be sitting right here in between this little nub end and this fuel line. This shit is so dry rotted though. It's not even funny. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this old line off. It goes all the way back behind this through here to this little T section. Either I'm gonna pull this entire line off or I'm gonna splice it. Because this piece doesn't feel the worst. Like if I go up here and squeeze it, there's still a little tiny bit of rubber. So if I go up far enough, I won't even have to like take this entire thing out. I can just go up here and then put the filter on and then splice in the other tubing that I have. This is painted, obviously. That looks like shit. All of these, every little seal on this vehicle, I have to redo. I don't know if you see this. Yeah. I think that was from before. I think it was changed recently. Reason I think this, because this plastic blue cap right here, I don't actually think that's supposed to be left on there. I think somebody left it on there when they changed the part. Also, this thermostat housing right here, they only made these things in plastic from the factory. I can order an aftermarket aluminum housing for like 80 bucks, so I'm gonna do that. Also, this oil pressure sensor right here, this thing really likes to come loose for no reason when I'm like in the middle of driving. So I'm gonna replace this. I might remove this fucking cheap ass thing right here. It goes into the wiring harness, but I get a better one and splice it in there the correct way and have it like clip onto this nut right here so it doesn't come loose when I'm driving anymore. That would be perfect. Yeah, it's got the original air box. This got to come out. I gotta delete this because this is just terrible. Put a little filter on the end of it or something, because filters for this thing are expensive. I gotta, you know, do a whole kit to delete it too. And there's like a fuel line right here. I don't know why this fuel line runs through this air box. I don't know if maybe this thing was turbocharged at some point in its life. That would be the only thing I could think of. There's two here. They don't go anywhere, really. One of them comes off of this with another super dry rotted line. All these lines are dry rotted. I need to replace all of these. Let's get to it. Okay, so this is not like actual... This is a hardware store fuel line, basically. Yeah. It's not really made for big engines and high temps, but 2 liter, and I plan on replacing the entire coolant system. You see that giant fucking gross hose right there? Yeah, I gotta replace that. I don't know if these fans even work or not, because whenever I drove it, it got really, really hot for some reason. Looks like everything's plugged in. It's got oil in it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got the right amount of oil. I'm still gonna change it eventually. But right now, fuel line first so we don't start a fire. So I just tried to hook this to the old hose and yeah, so I'm gonna change this hose out from this T up here. I'm gonna route some of this hose back along to have it connect up here. Hopefully this isn't fuel leak right here from this being dry rotted in this area for so long, but we'll see. The rest of the line is like normal hard line, so it's not like dry rotted or anything. Also, if anybody knows what the fuck those two ports are for, I would love to know. Unless that's where the turbo, like, you know, they put the wire for the turbo pressure and all that up there. I might be wrong, but if you're watching this video, you obviously know and care about Golfs. It's those two right there. Okay, going back, I realized that those two hoses that are clamped together is probably what goes there. Get this line measured out and get it all, you know, redid. Okay, well, that sucks. Now I gotta find one of these stupid T-tips because it's so fucking dry rotted. It just ripped off. Great. Well, this is the only thing I was able to get done. This fucking line, I don't know why. This is the exact line that it calls for, the exact size. It just refuses to fit on there good. I had to take a fucking... This isn't permanent. This is just until I can start getting everything else fixed. I need it to be movable so that, you know, so I gotta fix these fuel lines. This, I gotta go find this. I don't have the money to buy it right now, so I gotta DoorDash to get some money to do this and fix it. But yeah, look forward to updates on this.
I got broke problems. Ain't no rollie on my wrist watching. Ain't no diamonds on my teeth talking. Ain't no Maybach on my car badge, that's a fact. I just drive a Chevy Impala. Don't